guys? I know it's been a minute. It's been a long minute. It's probably like 14 months. No, it's more than that. It's like February, March, April, May, June. Anyways, the point is, it's been a long time since I recorded my last video. So everybody that asking me where the videos, they can't stop asking now. See dear. See dear. Like guys, you have no idea how much I love recording the videos. Like this morning, like I planned from last week that I'm gonna record this video, and this morning I woke up and this light just manifested in me. Like I just feel very happy that like this joy just came over me. Like I really love recording the video and I really love editing the video. I think editing is my favorite part of doing the videos. So thank you guys for all the persons that are supporting me. I really appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. Like you guys have no idea. So we're gonna start with this look that I created. So it's like a mauve pinky flirty look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Always, I'm gonna start off with my brows. So the pencil that I'm using is from Colourpop. So it has the pencil on one side and then the spoolie on the other, and it's retractable. Then I line the bottom part of my brow, then do the same to the top, and using light strokes I go in and fill in the brows. Then I go through with the spoolie, so this is gonna blend everything in to give it a more natural look. Then I'm gonna go in and do the same thing to the other brow. So I'm gonna use concealer to clean up my brows, and I'm gonna bring it all the way to my lid because I wanna use it as a eyeshadow primer. Then using a beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend it out. So using the Morphe 350 palette and the blending brush, I'm gonna use the shade here to warm up my crease. So I'm just gonna blend. So you don't want it to have any harsh lines. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. So remember, we're just gonna blend. So using the shade, which is like a darker neutral brown, I'm just gonna use that to add more depth to my crease. So I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I use with the lighter color and just blend out that line here. You can see how that's coming together. Like, oh my gosh, this looks so good. Sorry guys if you're hearing this weird sound in the background, but I have the fan on behind the camera because the lights are so hot. So I have to keep the fan on so I don't sweat. But I'm just checking my face and there's so much bumps on my face. Like there's a blackhead right here. So I got 8 KFC like in January. No, that's not so long. Probably like 3 weeks ago. And I broke out after eating it, so I will not be going to KFC anytime soon. It wasn't 3 weeks, I ate it last week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the darker shade and add it to the other eye as well. Add a little glitter. I'm gonna use this ice pigment powder from LA Colors, and this is in the shade Toasted. So I'm just gonna use that with a flat brush to give like a cut crease effect. Oh my god, you guys see that? The light just went. So wow JPS, wow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just carve out my crease a bit. but not too dramatic. Really, Jerpius? I'm going to go ahead and use a blended brush that I was using before with some of the leftover shadow and just blend that in. I feel like it's not as pigmented, so I'm going to go ahead and use some Fix Plus and just spray the brush. Put it over here. And just put it in the shadow and just tap that on. Oh yeah, it looks so much better. So I cleaned up the top of my brows off camera because that's gonna take a lot. So I didn't have the time, so I just did it off camera. So I hope you guys don't mind. And I'm gonna go ahead and put primer on for my foundation. So I'm gonna use two primers. I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup Primer. And this is what it looks like. And it has the swirly thing to bring it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on first. So what I like to do is to just go over that with my finger, ensure that it's evenly distributed on my face.
I'm gonna spray the Makeup Forever Photo Finish Primer Water over it, so this is gonna add hydration. Then I'm gonna go in with this color corrector from LA Girl, so this is in the peach shade. Because my face have a lot of pigmentation, this is gonna kind of color correct all of that. Then using a beauty blender, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my foundation over it. So the foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade Classic Tan. So for concealer, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Tan. So I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender and blend it all out. So the trick is for your nose to have like a natural contour, you work the concealer up to the side of your nose. So for the cheek, using the clean side of the beauty blender, I work the concealer upwards so it doesn't have like a harsh line. I'm gonna add the same shade concealer to my nose to highlight it and use the point of the beauty blender to blend it out. And then this is a trick that I learned from Makeup Shayla. So what you're gonna do is to use the beauty blender and kind of roll it on the side of the nose so it can blend out the harsh lines that are there, so it's gonna look seamless. So I'm just gonna use my SACHA Buttercup setting powder and add that to where I added the concealer. So I'm gonna use it to bake. So I use a damp beauty blender to apply this to my face. Then I'm gonna add it under my cheekbone, so this is gonna give like a natural contour. Then I'm gonna go in with a powder brush and use this to dust off all the excess powder and also to use it to blend in seamlessly in my skin. So using a pencil brush, I'm gonna use the darker shade brown that I use in my crease and add that to the lower lash line. For liner, I'm gonna use this liner from Tarte Cosmetics. So this is their Tarteist liner, so it's double-ended, so it has like the pencil liner on one end and then the liquid liner on the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that to do like a little wing, so it's not gonna be too dramatic. So for mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one from Marc Jacobs. With all the mascaras I've used, this is the one that gives my bottom lashes the most volume. So I added lashes off camera, so I'm just gonna use the mascara to blend my natural lashes into the false lashes. And I'm gonna set my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. This one is in the shade Classic Tan. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Master Fix setting spray. So I'm just gonna drench my face in that. So this is gonna allow for the powders that I've used to kind of melt in my skin. So my face is not gonna look as powdery, and it also helps for the makeup to last longer. So for the lips, I use a lip liner from Colourpop in the shade 951. So I'm just going to use that to line my lip. Then for the lipstick, I'm going to use this liquid one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is in the shade ASHTON. So this is described on their site as being a mid-tone yellow brown. But to me, this looks more peachy. I'm just saying. So the highlighter that I'm using is from BhCometics in the shade Opal, and I'm just gonna use it with a brush from Morphe. It's from their Complexion collection. So I'm gonna use my fingers to add it to the bridge of my nose and also the top of my lips. Then I'm gonna go back over with the setting spray that I used previously.
Before you go, I think you're forgetting something. Yes, you. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, go ahead. I'm waiting on you. Thank you.